Hello everyone. Am I audible? No, actually some problem was happening like with our new tool, so that's why this the delay happened, and we were figuring it out like how to solve this thing. Sorry, like we would have started at 4 o'clock. We are trying to resolve this problem from 4:45 only. Yeah, hi Diggy, hi Neha, hi Samir, hi Anusha, hi Harshit. So we are starting in some time. Hi Mahesh, hi Neha, hi Imtiaz ji. So yeah, we will be starting in some time. Just give me a moment. So many of you know already, right? Like how it works. Like we'll be sharing the two things, right? The number one is like what is the lead, and number two is like what is the lead number. So whomsoever needs that particular lead can comment down below that lead number. So many of you already know. It's just for them who doesn't know about this, right? And number one thing is like please do subscribe to this channel, right? Like which is like group, which is like facebook.com/groups/eternitech, right? And my name is Shivendra Malik. So I'm basically community manager in Eternitech. And let's hope today's leads you guys will like it. Today we don't have much leads, so I will be starting with the leads, and you guys do comment down the numbers below. And our one of our associate will be sending you the leads, right? In the comment section, he will be replying also that he has delivered or not. Okay. So I'm starting. Okay. So today we are starting with lead number 371. So it's like requirement for WordPress developer. Location is Surat. They can opt for like work from home. So CTC is like 15,000 to 20,000 per month. So if you need this particular lead, you can comment down below that I need lead number 371. Next lead is like lead number 372, and like they are looking for .NET MVC candidate. So they're looking for .NET MVC candidate for a permanent job role, 8 hours working, and immediate joiner is preferred. Next lead is like lead number 373. They are looking for Python web developer. So if you have Python web developer in your team, comment down below that I need lead number 373. Next lead is like lead number 374. So they're looking for ready iOS and Android app for saloon and spa, multiple vendor. They're looking for demo also. So you can comment down below like lead number 374 if you have some ready-made iOS and Android application for saloon and spa. Must be multiple vendor. Next lead is like lead number 375. They are looking for doctor patient booking application. Next lead is like lead number 376. They're looking for Flutter developer. So it's like five. I don't know. It's 5 years or like they're looking for five developers. So you can you can comment down below 376, and you can from the client only you can know. So they're looking for Flutter developer 5, Laravel developer 5, Code Igniter developer 5, Node.js developer 2. So job location is Ranchi, right? And you can comment down below 376. Lead number 377 is like they're looking for coordinator developer needed for India only, minimum 5 years of experience. Lead number 378 is like they're looking for required 100 .NET and AngularJS developer on contractual basis for 1 year experience to for 1 year, and experience needed is 2 to 5 years. So they're looking for .NET and Angular JS developers on contractual basis for 1 year, minimum 2 to 5 years of experience. Next lead is like lead number 379. They're looking for Android developer. Experience is like 2 to 3 years. Work from home is available, full-time job, like monthly base salary. So you can comment down below, like I need lead number 379. Next lead is like lead number 380. They're looking for like Magento developer. Experience required is like 2 to 3 years of experience. Work from home is available, full-time and monthly base salary. Next lead is like lead number 381. It's like Angular plus Play Network. Sorry, Play Network, Play Framework. And the second one is like Angular plus Ionic. Third is like UI UX designer. So three developers are needed. One is like Angular with Play Framework. Second one is like Angular with Ionic. Third is like UI and UX designer. All must be like 2 years minimum of experience must be there. Salary will be like 30,000 for all the mentioned developers. Next one is like lead number 382. Freelance Flutter developer is needed. So like you can comment down below 382 and only Indian only. Next lead is like lead number 383. They're looking for Laravel expert. Next lead is like lead number 384. They're looking for professional content writer. So you can comment down below if you have a professional content writer. They're looking for it in urgent basis. Next lead is like lead number 385. They're looking for Node.js developer, 6 months contract, full-time developer needed, a minimum 2 years of experience is needed, monthly base salary. Okay. Comment down below lead number 385. Next lead is like lead number 386. They're looking for a freelance developer with expertise in React.js and Node.js. So this is the last lead, lead number 386. Thanks for your time and comment down below the numbers and our associate will be sending you all the details in your inbox, in your Facebook inbox. And till then, see you. Bye bye. Tata. And please don't forget to join the group. And like tomorrow again, it's gonna be 4 o'clock. They're gonna be sharp at 4 o'clock. Thank you. Bye bye.